Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Surbhi, and in today's video I'll be share my honest review about this newly launched foundation, that is the Base Story Flicka Cosmetics foundation. So this is actually a creamy foundation. Let me show you how it looks. Oh my god, this looks so nice. Very hype worthy creamy foundations. So we are going to talk about this foundation in this video. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, the product packaging is very compact. Like it's like a compact powder and very handy, very lightweight, so you can easily travel with this foundation. Like आपको इससे कुछ डरने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं कि ये अगर गिरेगा तो टूटेगा या फिर anything, because the packaging is very comfortable and इसके अंदर and you get a full size mirror in this, so which is a very good quality. And my shade is 02 beige. While traveling it might break, so this is like very useful and travel friendly product. And with that I have also got the Flicka Cosmetics beauty blender, and both of these products I have ordered from Flicka Cosmetics website, and the website link will be shown here and in the description box as well, so you can check that. So this is how the beauty blender looks like. It is very cute. Like I haven't seen such beauty blender packaging so far. It is very safe, I can say. So as you know, beauty blenders catches the dust easily and we should avoid it, and we need our beauty blenders clean. So it is like very handy, useful product, I must say. The foundation is in the shade 02 beige. There are a lot of shades available on websites. Let me swatch it on my hand and see how creamy it is, because they have mentioned it is satin finish, it is waterproof, it is smooth, it is creamy. So yeah, let's see that. So this is a satin smooth and matte finish foundation. It is paraben free, vegetarian, dermatologically tested and cruelty free. This is the beauty blender. It is latex free, allows precise application, blends makeup seamlessly. It is cruelty free, easy to hold and use. Also you can use it with powder as well as cream products. See, I just swatched this one on my hand, and it is extremely creamy product and very easy to put on with your fingers. And this is the beauty blender. I have just washed it, like squeezed under the water, under the tap water, to get a fluffiness, and you can see it is very fluffy beauty blender. If you wash it and squeeze it under water, grow in the size and become more fluffy, so that you can easily blend the foundation. I'm going to use brush first of all, just to apply the foundation on my face. Wow, it just glides so smoothly like a butter. I feel like I'm applying butter on my face, and it is giving very good one swipe application. So this is the waterproof foundation and enhances your complexion. It is very lightweight and feels like your second skin. Now just look at the coverage. It is blending out so easily. Okay, so as you have seen, it was looking a bit whiter earlier. Maybe I have got some light shade for me, that is 02 beige. So yes, according to that you can see, you can choose your shade. Also after just 5 minutes you can see it starts oxidizes and coming to my skin. So that is also one thing I wanted to tell you. I haven't set it with the powder yet, just wanted to show you the glow, the finish of this foundation. It is a waterproof foundation and we are going to test. So now we are gonna do a transfer test of this foundation. I haven't set it without the powder, but still I don't feel sticky or oily, and even it doesn't feel like any cream, because this is a creamy foundation, so it should feel creamy or sticky, but honestly I don't feel like stickiness. So yes, we are going to do a transfer test with this tissue paper. I'm just gonna keep it and press it and Oh wow, just look at that. There is nothing on the tissue and it is completely past the transfer test, so it doesn't really transfer. See, no foundation at all. So yes, this is my final finished look with the makeup on, and honestly I must tell you, this is worth the hype foundation. Since I'm an oily skin person, I usually don't use creamy foundations because they also tends to produce more oil on my face. But actually this is literally, I don't feel like anything on my face. Definitely get this foundation. Want any details you want about this foundation and the beauty blender, you can check the description box. Everything is mentioned there, and you can check the websites also. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I could help you about the foundation using and my favorite foundation. So yes, thank you so much for watching. Till then, we will meet in our next video. Bye bye.